But the dampener is this: if you have a wedding or a party planned for the Baisakhi weekend, there's a downer here. No liquor ahead of the MCD polls, as April 13th, 14th, 15th have been declared dry days.
The big fat Punjabi wedding. But where's the alcohol? Gear up for a sober weekend as Delhi government plays the party spoiler. Starting Baisakhi, the Excise Department has declared 14th and 15th till 5:30 p.m. as dry days due to the MCD elections. By the government's orders, liquor will not be sold from 5:30 p.m. onwards on April 13th till 5:30 on April 15th. For these 48 hours, no licensed shop, restaurant, pub, club or banquet can serve liquor. This month has already had 2 dry days, Good Friday and Mahavir Jayanti, making it a total of 5 downer days, without actually downing any.
This dry days which is happening for the poll, that's affected because of the weekend. That's going to be very lost for us because it's the weekend.
हमारे घर कल पार्टी थी, शनिवार को है पार्टी है, तो जिसके कारण मुझे 2 दिन दुकान बंद होने से शराब वाइन की 5,000 रुपए का तो मेरा नुकसान हो गया. इसके लिए हमें गुड़गांव जाना पड़ा है.
But for others, it translates into a boom in the pre-weekend business.
पतवार को हमारी सेल करीबन 3-3.5 लाख के करीब होती है, पर कल ऑलरेडी लोगों ने स्टॉक अपना परचेज कर लिया. हमारी सेल जो है ड्राई डे को कवर अप कर चुकी है. नॉर्मली आज भी लोग बाग कल के हिसाब से, परसों के हिसाब से उतना स्टॉक अपना परचेज करके ले चुके हैं. आज 5:30 बजे बंद होगी, परंतु कोई इफेक्ट नहीं है. लोगों ने ऑलरेडी 1 दिन पहले 2 दिन पहले अपना स्टॉक खरीद के रख लिया है.
It's very accessible to go to Noida or Gurgaon to buy booze. So anybody who doesn't get booze in Delhi, they can probably go to other states and get their material.
The Delhi government might have pegged this dry day on the MCD elections. But will it actually dampen Delhi's high spirits? Till then, here's to a long and dry weekend. This is Sonal Mehrotra in New Delhi for NDTV.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.